Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel.
Tap.
So guys, if you are new to my channel, please I urge you to subscribe to my channel. So after subscribing, guys, you can press notification bell so that you will be the first person to get my videos when I upload. So guys, we are road to 3,000 subscribers. So I just want to thank you all for subscribing to my channel. Continue subscribing and watching the videos. So we are on site now. We are fixing via hose reel, as you see. This is hose reel arm. This is hose reel drum. I have a few, but guys, bear with me. So guys, here we have hose reel tubing. This is gate valve. When you want to open close. So this one we are fixing here. This add me one red tape so that I can show my fans what I am doing. So continue watching guys, so you can visit the comment section, comment down there. We're going through there so that
Bado iko sawa.
Oh, imeshamaliza.
Bado
si uendelee kuongea, kwani channel ni yangu.